Within this collection we have 17 titles for launch. We have Redfern and Hunter, McLachlan, Weinecker and Shaw as 2 general titles. We also have a range of specialist reference works. My name's Andy Redman and I'm the Editorial Director for Law. These titles represent some of our leading works. What we've tried to do is to get a balance between titles which have been published recently and which are therefore more current. In terms of topics, we have some titles which range across the whole field. So for example, Redfern and Hunter is a guide which end to end covers the process of arbitration. We also have some specialist works and they can deal with particular issues, whether it be third parties or compensation and damages or issues like annulment. And the intention is that whatever point it is that somebody's looking to research, they will find a range of different results which relate to their particular issue. But we also have the facility with this service to bring in supplementary materials as well. And one of the things that we'll be looking at introducing over the next 12 months will be online updating specifically for this particular service. Oxford is lucky to have a number of leading authors, and that's part of what makes our offerings distinct. We work with specialists in the area and with leading commentators. The intention with this collection is that we bring together a range of those different opinions, the expert offerings, and people are able to search across all of those and for any specific point of research test the opinions of all of those experts. The product works by offering a full collection of all of the titles. At its most basic, you can put in any string or search term and you can find a list of results that we have in this collection. What you can do then really depends on whether you've found what you're looking for or whether you need to find something more specific. We have facets which are available for the user, and they offer some very specific filtering, whether it be author or subject, and so you can start to refine your search terms and refine the results. We also allow people to look at the titles as if they were just interested in seeing that particular title, and you can do that by selecting either the author or the title, and you can arrange a table of contents for you so you could browse the content in the same way that you would do the book. When people see a results list, we will provide the results at a chapter level. At the top of that, of each of those entries, there will be a range of keywords and an abstract for that material. And when people enter into a chapter, then they'll see a table of contents for you as well, so that once you're in a particular title and you've found the material you're looking for, then you can start to move around in context of that particular title. Linking is an important part of this service. What we have done is we've added in a reference window so that when you get to the end of any particular set of content, you'll be able to activate the reference window and see all of the citations that have been included in that material. That's important because it means that the user can then follow those links and see the material that we hold on that citation in the Law Citator. And that's effectively a jumping off point. It allows onward research to either the material itself, if we have a copy of a case or a particular instrument, or it allows you to resolve that citation in other ways from your own research resources. The fact that you can search across a range of titles is definitely a time-saving benefit. One of the real benefits of the service is that it's bringing together the opinions and the expert knowledge of a number of different authors. And so with one search, you can actually see a range of different options in terms of information, in terms of authority, and in terms of analysis. This service brings together a number of works which are only available via Oxford. And in selecting our authors, we work with people who are leaders in their field, who are specialists in their particular areas. So this collection, the 17 titles that we have at launch, contains material, insight, information and know-how that's not available from other sources.